major blues scale. I'm gonna start in this first position. G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C. And then D, E flat, E, G, A. A, C. I'm in the first position now. A good way to slide up into that second position would be to go on that G string. A, C. Did you see what I just did? My fingers are 1, 4, 1, 3, D, E, E flat, D. I'm on the 7th fret now. C, D, E, G, A, C. There, I'm up in that clearly in the second position. Bend up to that, from E flat up to E. Now I'm gonna slide back down. A, C. Tutorial on just moving between the second position. I'm on the 8th fret with the C, C, D, E flat, A, G, E, E flat, D, C, A, G, E, D, C. And then again, if I want to slide down to the first position, easy way to do it is to go from that C on the 8th fret down to the G on the 3rd fret. Just a couple little things to remember. Sliding, let that index finger be your slide guide. Slide guide. Yeah. A nice